Hello and welcome back. I am excited because in today's video I will be showing you how to up-pot your ugu plants. You may have ordered some ugu plants and you received your plants and they look like this and you're not sure what to do with them. I'm going to share with you step by step how I intend to deal with these ugu plants right here so that they survive and they thrive. If we're just meeting for the first time, hello, I am YAJE and I do grow tropical vegetables here in my garden in Texas in Zone 9A, and I teach people how to do it. So I'm fired up because I laid hands on some precious ugu plants. So what I will be doing is I will up-pot the ugu, which just means plant the ugu in a bigger container. I don't want it too big because I intend to take these outdoors to the garden whenever it gets warm. But for right now, they need to be inside until I'm sure that spring is actually here. So to up-pot the ugu, what I will use or what I am using are like nursery bags. So these are just polythene bags with holes. I think these are just perfect because when it's time to plant the ugu in ground, I can just tear up the bag and then plant my ugu. So this is how it looks like. Let me show you. So this is another ugu that I got. This one I was gifted and I planted them in the bag. See how it looks like? It's just perfect. It's gonna grow in here, and when I'm ready, I will just rip the thing off here and put it in ground, and I will not disturb the roots. So I really like this. Then you're going to need soil. I am going to recommend potting mix soil. This one I made by myself. It's just a mix of compost, some peat moss, some perlite, that's the white stuff, and I also threw in some slow release fertilizer. And as always, I will remind you to always label your plants. So here I have what I am planting, where I got it from, today's date. After you assemble everything, what you will do is fill up the bag with the potting mix soil about maybe 3/4 of the way, halfway up. We don't want to fill it all the way up yet, and I will tell you why. Okay, so we want to leave about the size of this cup unfilled. So whatever container that you have, fill it up and leave that side there like that. Okay, so not all the way, and then we're gonna open this up. Okay, this was really well packaged. All right, now here's what you do. Watch carefully. I'm going to open my fingers and then I'll put it right here. Make sure I keep the soil down, hold it down like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip it over. See? So, ta-da, look at that. Look at the roots. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. The roots have been well established and they should take off. Now I'm gonna put it here very carefully. See, that's why we left that space. And then now I'm going to fill it up with my soil. Yeah, this is my spoon from the kitchen. What I'm doing is just trying to press things down, compact the soil here.